Hi beautiful people! Thank you for tuning in. My name is Lucy and today we are gonna talk about fermented honey. Oh! And this super easy and healthy recipe was inspired by River Cottage handbook number 18. It's about fermentation, and this is about summer pudding jam, which is nice, tasty and amazing. So basically you can use any berries, you can use red currant, black currant, blackberries, blueberries, whatever you've got, whatever it's in season, whatever you fancy. If you fancy healthy dessert, you can make this summer pudding. I've got combination of black and red currants, and I just let it ferment in honey. I put a lid on, I leave it loose for a couple of days, and every other day I will tighten it up and give it a good shake. And it's good in a couple of days, but after a week it's amazing. You can just eat it as it is. You can put it over your yogurt or cereals. You can just take the fruit out and squash it and put it on bread as a jam. There are so many varieties. You can put it on your pancakes, and it's just honey and fresh fruit. Enjoy it. And I'm gonna quickly read you the recipe for this one. So you will need about 100 grams of mix: raspberries, blackberries, red currants, black currants, whatever you like, whatever you've got, and about 100 grams of raw runny honey. And basically you put it in the jar, you mix it together, make sure you mix it properly so the air bubbles will escape. And fermentation time, it's 3 to 7 days. It's up to you however funky you want to have it. And what you do, you put the lid on, but you leave it loose, and every couple of days you tighten the lid, you give it a good shake, and you keep it somewhere in the dark corner. So I had mine here. You can see on the plate it can escape, so make sure you put it on something. And I just cover it with a tea towel. I kept it in the corner in my kitchen cupboard, and this is what it looks like after 1 week time. You can see the bubbles already form. You can see the color. So in my case I am using red currants and black currants, and you can see the lid is loose. And every couple of days what I did, I tighten it up and I just shaked it. And then you just loosen the lid, put the cover on, leave it on a plate, and that's it. It's super easy, it's very healthy, wonderful, and you can do whatever you like with it. You can just take it as it is, just scoop it out. You can take the fruit out, mash it, and put it as a lovely jam spread, and you can put a bit more honey, make it whatever consistency you like. And this wonderful liquidy honey, it will be more liquidy. You can put into cocktails, and you can make nice lovely drinks with some sparkling or still water, whatever you fancy. And you can eat it as it is. You can just scoop it out, or you can mash the fruit and put it on toast as a jam. You can put a bit of honey there. I can see it's a bit running because I was shaking the glass, so you can see after you shake it, that's why you need to put it on the plate. And this lovely liquid, the color, You can put in any cocktails, summer drinks with sparkling or still water, whatever you fancy. You can put it on your pancakes. It's really versatile. If you'd like to stop the fermentation process, you can just put it in the fridge and it should slow it down. And let me have a little taste. So you can see these are black currants. I've got red currants here as well. It's wonderful. You need to have a go and let me know how you like it. It was just a quick tip from me what you can do with currants and berries, and let me know in the comments below if you do this often or if you are going to try it for the first time. I am really curious to know. If you liked the video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. Leave me some comments, share with your friends and family, spread some love, and thank you so much for watching. Stay amazing. From my heart to your heart. Bye until next time.